Honorable Senators, as you may recall, at the sitting of the Senate held on Wednesday, 15th February 2023, the Senate Minority Leader rose on a point of order seeking the directions of the Chair regarding a proposed change in the leadership of the Minority Party. The Senate Minority Leader ascertained that he had communicated changes in the leadership of the minority side the previous day and was concerned that the changes had not been effected and communicated to the Senate. The Senate Minority Leader more or less demanded that the changes be communicated at that sitting, arranging that failure to do so portrayed boundary on the part of the speakership. I will request the Senator to approach your seat. There is a bit long communication. Honorable Senators, as we recall, I undertook to issue a communication on this matter. This morning at a meeting of the Senate Business Committee, I indicated to the committee that the communication was ready and was to be communicated today. However, this afternoon at 1:15 p.m., the Speaker of the Senate was served with an order from the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal in Political Parties Disputes Tribunal number PPDTC E003/2023 Fatuma Ndanduro and Jubilee Party of Kenya versus Azimio Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party, in which the Speaker of the Senate is joined as a third interested party. The tribunal issued, among its others, the following order. And first, and I quote, that pending inter-parties hearing and termination of the application, interim orders of injunction are hereby issued, restraining the respondent and interested parties, either by themselves, their servants, agents, and or any other persons acting on their behest from implementing the communication and resolution by the respondents' parliamentary group meeting held on 14th February 2023, purporting to remove the first applicant and other members of Jubilee Party from the position of Senate Minority Whip and parliamentary committees and its attendant privileges, respectively. The matter is scheduled for mention before the tribunal on 20th February 2023 at 2:30 p.m. to confirm compliance and for further directions. Honorable Senators, as you are aware, Article 3(1) of the Constitution places an obligation on every person to respect, uphold, and defend the Constitution. Additionally, Article 10 of the Constitution includes as one of the national values and principles of governance the rule of law. Article 159(1) of the Constitution further provides that judicial authority is derived from the people and vests in and shall be exercised by the courts and tribunals established by or under the Constitution. Honorable Senators, respect of the rule of law and judicial authority are fundamental tenets of our democratic system of governance, which we hold without exception obligated to uphold. Accordingly, in the circumstances, I hereby defer the delivery of the communication on this matter pending the outcome of the proceedings that are before the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal or the vacation of the orders in Political Parties Disputes Tribunal number PPDTC/E003/2023 Fatuma Ndanduro and Jubilee Party of Kenya versus Azimio Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party. I thank you. Minority Leader, Mazayo Stewart.